In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a $500 credit line with 0% interest rate for only $2 a month. Let's get started. What's up everybody, this is your boy Jacques. Welcome back to my channel, Wealth on Replay, where I'll be teaching you different wealth tips and strategies to help increase your net worth. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about the credit building tool called Kikoff. Now Kikoff gives you instantly a $500 credit line, which gives you a 0% interest rate for only $2 a month. Now this has no credit check, again 0% interest rate, and no hidden fees. Now in the last video, I talked about the other credit building tool called Self. Now with Kikoff, it has no minimum time requirement, and also in conjunction with Self, actually goes hand in hand, and if used both wisely, can help increase your score a lot faster if you use it together. So Kikoff is fairly simple. So basically, you sign up to get the credit account. Then you get instantly approved for a $500 line of credit, and they don't do credit checks and it won't affect your score. Next, you use your credit. Basically, once you get the credit line, you'll use that to purchase something from the Kikoff store, and they basically start off at around $10, and you can pick whatever fits your budget. Then lastly, you'll make monthly payments. They will report each payment that you make to the major credit bureaus, and each payment that you make helps build your credit. Now I'm going to show you guys how easy and quickly you can set up the account. So let's start off by clicking the link in my description box. It'll actually bring you to this page right here where you'll input your email address. If you look closely up top, you'll also see that Steph Curry is now an investor in Kikoff. Next, you just go ahead and verify all your information, your name, last name, date of birth, etc. Go down the steps and continue. Now once you get everything all completed, you'll finally get to this screen where it shows you that you have the 0% interest rate. There's no annual fee, and as I stated, you get instantly that $500 credit limit. Now with your $500 credit limit, you're going to see a variety of things from the Kikoff store, and they're all under $20. Now Kikoff does report to Equifax and Experian, and the payback amount is about $2 a month. So that way it'll help build positive payment history with every on-time payment. And your Kikoff credit account also doesn't expire, as you can see on the screen, so you can keep building your credit. Just paying for these small items and month after month helps increase your score. Now I have a ton of videos about your credit score, but let's go ahead and still break your credit score down for you while you're here with me. So now your payment history is 35% of your score. Next is your account age, which is 15%, and 30% is your account utilization. Now there's another 20% which factors in like credit inquiries and other things. So Kikoff basically helps you with the top 3 credit factors, which influences 80% of your credit score. Now let me break down on why I think Kikoff might be a great way to help you save money and a great alternative for you. So for the administrative fees and the pricing, Kikoff has none. For secured installment credit builder accounts, that can range from $9 to $25. For a secured credit card, it can also range about $9 as well. Now if we pause it here at the annual fees, there are no annual fees with Kikoff. Most secure installment credit builder accounts have no fees as well, but with a secured credit card, it can range from $25 to $35. Now that can get very pricey year after year. Now for the late fees, there are no late fees with Kikoff. With most secure installment credit builder accounts, they're 5% of the monthly payment if you're not on auto pay. And with secure credit cards, it can range $15 to $38. So one easy way to avoid these fees, especially the late fees, is just to put it on auto pay or just start using Kikoff right away. And the maximum APR for Kikoff is 0%. For the secure installment credit builder accounts, it can range from 13.5% to almost 16%. And as you know, with secure credit cards, it's 17 to almost 24%. Ouch. Now that can get very pricey as well. There's no annual fees for Kikoff. Credit builder accounts, as you can see on the screen, is between $89 to $128. And secure credit cards have no annual fees as well. And finally, here at the length of time, the secure credit cards can expire. Installment credit builders usually last between 12 months to 10 years. And with Kikoff, there's no end date. As you guys know, I'm a licensed mortgage loan originator and a realtor in the state of Florida, and I always get this question time and time again: how can I improve my credit without it hurting my credit score? Now Kikoff is great because again, there is no credit check, and it instantly gives you that line of credit, so that way it can help your score month after month. Now, if you haven't done so already, make sure you download my free credit ebook, which is in the description box below. Now, this in conjunction with Kikoff is going to help boost your credit score tremendously. You'll start seeing a rapid increase as soon as you get started. Now, with Kikoff, make sure you're using the account responsibly and you're not using the full credit utilization. Keep the balance as low as possible, so that way that increases your score. Now, let me give you some 5 other tips that can help boost your credit score as well. So tip number 1, make sure you dispute all negative items on your credit report. Make sure you download that free ebook at the bottom of my description box. Make sure you take advantage of that. It's absolutely free, and that way you can start increasing your score by taking off those negative items as well. Step number 2, dispute all excess hard inquiries on your credit report. Again, in the free ebook, I have the addresses of the 3 credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. That way you can get that started right away as well at no additional charge. Step number 3, pay down your revolving balances. I would say to 0, which is best. If you can, try to get it close to 10% if possible. Step number 4, make sure you pay your bills on time. And step number 5, have a family member add you to their card as an authorized user. Now, for the 5th step, make sure the person that you're being added to is using their credit profile responsibly. Again, you don't want to be added to someone's account and they're having all these late fees, they're going over their credit utilization, because that will impact your score and that won't help your situation. Now, I hope you guys got some juicy information from this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you share this video to your friends and family and loved ones to make sure we can help their credit score go up. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And make sure that notification bell is on. I do have some awesome videos coming in the next couple weeks, so make sure you stay tuned for those. As always, have a great day, have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.